Skillables. Ladies and mental Jen with a welcome on top of the late night show. Just say like 2 seconds late things. But anyway, we'll see the arrange every. We welcome all of una come the show today. How una day? My day very, very sploofic, very, very all right and on point. But on top of the level, you know, say that the late night show now be the show to make sure say everybody temper calm down until the too much stress we food the obodo the world like this. Only Lagos alone, the stress is ready to make madman shout at the craze. But on the level, we welcome all of them come the show tonight. This day, we get 2 guests inside the building for today. At the same time, before we have to bring the guests and they come, we go first do the cocoa of the day. At the same time, we can't drop the video of people that we go outside there. When we go outside there, go interview people on top. The word of the day we will drop yesterday. Soldier go, soldier come. Today, we go knock the name of the winner or let you know people that we also feel am. Can also tell you who the winner for today be. On top of the level, we still get 2 very, very good and wonderful performers. Them. The first one, a person that, you know, we just try to help some people ministry. You get me now? So that one on top, show yourself. Show yourself. In name that Ofoma, he go follow us inside the studio today. My producer tell me, say we get 1 surprise package. 1 surprise package. He go. I never still know. Easy bit. I never still know who the. I don't get any idea. But my mind, they tell me, say, like, say, na big artist. Oh. And then go show up on top of the show today.
Muku clap for him.
My producer, very bad guy. You know, my producer Obi Martins, very bad guy. You get, he make many arrangements and everything. But I don't give him a gift, so they give him yesterday.
Oh,
so
maybe they make bring the biggest come today.
Based on the level of the gift that they give us yesterday.
But you're supposed to tell us now, Muku, so that Muku can arrange, wait for the person.
Maybe just one form surprise for us. I don't know. Maybe not surprise things. But any which way, we still get Pepe Nazi in the building. He go follow us for the show today. Yes. All right, so we're gonna just chill back, relax. We'll play 1 game for the end, safe, before we round up every. But I don't know if you wait for that surprise. I say when that time reach. All right, we still get the baddest DJ in the land, DJ Easy B. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, on top of that P, we'll not start the show for today. Just want to go Twitter at W Late Night Show. Jam us for there. Not only just the followers, the comment. Let us know how things they go. All right, so when they come back after this break and everything goes start. Yeah, DJ Easy B, thank you very much. Correct song. That song, see, they bust my brain anytime, any day.
Anytime, any day.
I wanna be with you.
Oh my God.
From the start till the end. So baby, don't break my heart, oh.
Why you come like they turn out to blues?
No, see, I want to turn out to church songs.
Okay.
Not church song. You know, so church songs they be like blues. Some of them, most of us all the church they raise hand. They know some things sometimes. Praise God.
Sure, not so.
What did they sing?
Not so.
Or that sing something. You don't forget song. Or that you don't forget. Or that sing now. If you get 2 years now, they're doing somebody on live your own word. Somebody little my label. Okay, sing this thing. Let's leave here. All right. Different G's they ground. Different G's. For the cocoa of the day, one listener, 3 hot G's them on top the cocoa of the day today. Easy beat. You get one gist over here. For inside South Korea, for there, the court don't finally, don't talk say they go legalize adultery. That be say, if they go do other corner waka, you are allowed now inside marriage.
For which country again?
For inside South Korea. So if you marry wife now for South Korea, but you go fit they go torchlight for outside. Blood.
Yeah.
Hey? You know how many Nigerian men go to appeal for them? They will say, me they go legalize that for a year now. See, just bring the thing here, legalize adultery in this country. My brother, adultery in the Obodo Yubo, in the South Korea area there. But their own be say, come, but before now, I'd say they talk say they're too plenty for that side of the world. Say maybe they reduce the whole thing, but now they encourage people to
confuse. They're confused.
You saw in a confusion.
They're confused.
When government your reason, just talk to me.
So now we get one where they first talk the other they say.
No be Japan.
Say make they just get 1 day special.
For
go day right.
For wiping.
You understand? So now they legalize wiping outside marriage again.
Hey, but any which way, that for them. Before now they talk say they legal, but they legal. Now before now illegal thing, but now free yourself. So you marry, but baby, where are you going, baby? When you want to go to okay, other one for inside Johannesburg for South Africa for there. They say they catch one couple. Not be couple they be actually. They go they form all these backyard torchlighting things. For Johannesburg, one man and another. This one are 2 different people from different places. So now adultery, this one be now. This one now, for South Africa, for there, you are not allowed to do this thing. Now, this one carry waka come, that one carry waka come. For the back, they say make you do colobi themselves for back without their own partner knowing. Now be adultery now. Now they're gum.
Yeah.
If you say gumming.
For where?
You get in Yoruba, they call them, where if you just go touch like poor, now they're your hook. They all lock the padlock. They say they all hook there, they call the shout, help! Help! The man say, calm down, man. We'll track, come on. Super glue.
No, where that one happens?
For South Africa.
Yeah.
Johannesburg for there. Let's say the original husband of the woman, or maybe the wife of the man. Not to say,
if you check with that man, if you're Nigerian guy.
If you're Nigerian guy, one Yoruba man, I just say, he wore.
We can go ask combat.
Maybe they just decide cupboard, they look. Oh! Waku! You all finished for there.
I got that mess of crowd of yours going to say, I got wait here.
I said the first carry phone come. They do like this. They record them. Yeah, people. Still not live. So I'm going to do selfie. I'm gonna pose where. And finally, Easy Beat, play me that Bob Marley song. Play me that Bob Marley song. Pwah! Now, for inside South Africa, I say South Africa, for Jamaica. Before now, say when you think of Jamaican people, you go first reason reggae song. Then secondly, you can't reason Igbo. Now, I think that things. Just like say they don't reason Nigeria, reason corruption. Or you reason maybe American hip hop. You reason Jamaica, Igbo.
Reggae song.
I say, na natural thing. They feel they're born picking up. You come out, you hold Igbo for one. Anything is possible. But before now, they say na illegal thing. Na illegal. But now, they don't legalize marijuana for Jamaica. If you see praise and worship, what do they do for that country?
Are you serious?
People, they are happy now.
But there are some
people, they do all right now. There are some people, they say, the guys, they say, we found that they don't know whether illegal or no illegal.
Yeah,
they smoke their thing, they go.
They do well.
But now, it's legal and everything. You can go ahead and just smoke it. So for those Nigerians, them, our artists, them, where they feel, say, before now, they go, they hide, they do things. Just go to Jamaica. And when you reach there, you are free to do anything. And if you want to go do adultery matter, just go, South Korea for there, do. But no go South Africa. You go gum. You go gum. All right, on that P, ladies and gentlemen, at the cocoa of the day be that. So I want to carry my first guest in the building. Not follow me sit down already. This is a segment we just want to give opportunity for the younger ones that they try, pass out, come out, come talk, say, man. Make we show ourselves onto the whole entertainment P. Ladies and gentlemen, I got my first guest on top show yourself. My first guest for the day. And he go by the name Ofoma. Ofoma. Yo! Whoa! Woyo! Woyo!
Thanks a lot, bro.
Which one be the woyo?
That's my signal.
That's your signal with that.
Yeah.
Woyo!
Woyo!
Yeah.
With attitude. Man.
With attitude. Okay. Show me how they take the do am.
Okay.
I want to do my own attitude. You chest out.
Posy.
Posy. Okay, posy.
Do your hand like this.
Like this.
Woyo!
Woyo!
Confirm.
Woyo!
Woyo!
But you know if you shout this kind of shout, when Porsche, what are you?
No, if you try, I'm trouble you.
Woyo! Just say, man, I'm stained. Oh, former.
Yeah, bro.
How fun, I love your hairstyle.
Oh, thanks a lot, bro.
Now the plan be that they born you like this.
They no born me like this.
Okay, you just decide to just grow the thing by yourself.
Yeah. That's my
But
smart.
they remind me, I've been get one, make I know enter the, you plus I didn't enter you. But you like this signature where you do like this?
Of course I love
But you and Easy Beat, not too far for resemblance. Easy Beat.
No. Yeah, but I know they do.
That's nice. No, you don't have to do that.
Okay.
No, you know they do what you now. Now, based on the, you get one gist will just drop. No.
Yeah.
The Igbo thing, because I don't look you now. I don't know why Igbo will come my mind though.
Somehow.
No. I just know it somehow. I just look at. I don't know. You don't smoke Igbo?
I was sitting with you.
No, I just know my. He was shocked to you.
Oh, everything
Okay.
follow now. Everything follow now.
All right, I won't leave that one. But how you feel the gist for Jamaica now? Say, man, come. They don't legalize Igbo matter for that side.
Man, it's a very nice thing, though. It makes sense, though. You
Yeah.
understand? It makes sense, because...
The smile on your face, you like this.
oh, if they do the same thing for Nigeria, it's gonna be nice.
Hiring.
Man.
But you be like, who they do patois?
Me?
Sabi do patois?
No, I don't really do part of it.
Because the warrior where you do.
That's just attitude in me.
Okay, the attitude in
yeah.
you. The attitude in you. How your performance will be for stage when you do your whole thing? Because I hear your song before, I say, man, enough did the inside. I say,
Yeah. As in, people, they appreciate it.
Okay.
From the things they do, throughout.
Okay, so when you do stage, now they throw things they give you.
Throw things,
Yeah.
they throw things.
Waiting be the most sweetest thing when they don't throw give you for stage. As you they perform, warrior! You all throw something give you. Waiting be the sweetest way you don't see before.
Oh, well, it still remain cash.
Not cash.
Yeah, cash.
Okay, like how much now? So no, 5 naira.
No, if I hear.
Like how much? Like dollars.
Better money.
Because I know one of my guys that they one stage before. Just they perform, they form. If you see guy they rap, they do everything. They rap. They all throw. If you want to rubber, you all come out. They say normally some girls they always throw their things. Some just come out their bra, just throw. Some just come out just throw. Just like the one they see for inside cinema which they just come out things throw. One rubber just come. I like this guy. Just come out, you all throw it in. You just see bed sheets. Just cover the guy.
Tarpaulin.
Guy dey shout. Where microphone
No.
But I tell that kind of one you don't experience before.
No, I never experienced that kind of one before.
Yeah.
I never experienced that kind of one before.
Okay, but your name, Ofoma, where you cover the name, now your real name, I mean, your stage name.
No, that's my real name. That's
Your
my
real name?
Real means Ofomata.
Ofomata.
Ofomata, yeah.
Okay, meaning waiting.
Kind of symbol of truth.
Symbol of truth.
Yeah.
You never lied for your life before. No, because based on your name now, you're not symbol of truth. And if you lie,
If I lie, well, I
you lie.
lie.
But you don't lie before.
Oh, boy.
But yes, say you don't even lie before. Because this will be like say your appearance for this place, I even lie. Say.
Oh, no. I beg.
Oh, former.
Yeah, bro.
But seriously, I want to the entertainment speed because I know say many of us get dreams and things, when you want to carry everything go.
Yeah.
What be your style of music? What you go call them? Because different name did now. Some say Afro pop, some say spiritual, hip hop, different things. Different. What be your own
No, mine
genre?
is hip life.
Hip life.
Yeah, hip life.
New one, no.
Hip life.
When you write down, you don't hear hip life.
I don't
before?
write down.
You don't write down, Abi?
I don't write down.
Hip life. Hip life.
Yeah.
Hip life. Wow. If you go mention like several people for this country where so you want pattern your kind of music follow, who and who? Like 3 people.
You mean in the current?
Yes.
right now?
I don't want to talk Asians before.
Somebody like Duncan Mighty,
Okay.
Timaya,
Okay.
Yeah, if you ask me again,
One more person.
I like Whiskey.
Whiskey. Whiskey. But I still look your hair. I still look the hair.
I'm a star with this, man.
Your style.
I'm a star.
How people they react to they see you like
Gosh, whoa,
Whoa!
oh, when they feel I'm there.
They feel am. Seriously?
Sometimes I notice say if I dey waka for street.
Yes.
As in, People they inside bus.
They stop, they look.
Almost one day, one driver, as in one jam, one person, when they look me, you just match the automatic brake. Tell and say, so what you want to do yourself because of just.
So the thing
but still, yeah.
cause attention to come your side.
Attention, big time attention.
Because small difference there between attention and fear.
No, don't be fear now.
Don't be.
Big time attention, honestly. Man.
And you enjoy the attention like that.
I feel I'm
So the track where you go bust for us for here now before we come out. What's the title of the track?
Ashindo. Yes.
Aye. Now wow.
Adashindo.
Woyo! Ashindo.
You know the way now.
So what does Ashindo mean? But they hear the ash inside, they make my head they think rubbish.
No, don't think anything.
Okay.
Ashindo, say baby Ashindo, kind of sexy girl, you know, she's very sexy, she get everything.
Okay.
You know, understand? She go flash you photo.
Okay.
Yeah, she go show you, but when you try to, she go.
So can't lock up.
Okay. That's Ashindo character. She don't tell sorry.
Oh,
okay. Tell sorry. That's Ashindo.
All those wicked girls them.
But they're fine. I like what they get.
Okay, so but that means you go find a look from distance now, but you don't go feel involved.
You see that's the Ashindo character.
Oh, Ashindo character.
Yes.
All right. So based on this particular level, any Ashindo in the ministry, is it? You don't ever experience any Ashindo?
No.
Come out there, you lie rubbish.
Well, how I tell lie now, Ashindo?
Which one you tell me yesterday for us?
Me and you.
but recently, some people they follow Easy Beat now on top Twitter, Facebook, different old girls. We quite they attract this kind of things recently.
Why they attract it?
You know, there's some older folks. I don't know.
Older folks.
Older lady folks. Eh? No, why they blush?
I don't get any idea.
You don't get any idea. The picture you showed me yesterday now, it's
which picture is that?
Easy Beat. All right, quickly. We'll take this particular break, and by the time we come back, Ofoma going to perform for us in song we call Ashindo. Woyo!
She say I'm nice and she say I'm sweet. Yeah. Every night and day she want it. She telling me that the boy is fit. Every night and day she want it.
Okay.
Baby Ashindo, I like what you get. On point, baby, my lord and great. Baby Ashindo, I like what you get. Ashindo, Falakela, Ashindo. Hey, Ashindo, money carry Ashindo. Hey, Ashindo, baby Ashindo. This girl know the tell sorry. This girl know the tell sorry. We get this girl from Calabar. She find pass, mommy water. Her backside, the lady. She fit pass, her balamo. She just get flash me photo. She know they get my time, oh. She just they use my head, oh. She just they give me fever. Baby, so free, they break my heart, oh. Baby girl, I know go lie. Your love to the light. I thought you could be the light. My lady, my baby. Baby girl, I know go lie. Your love to the light. My lady, my baby. Your love to the light. I like what you get. On point, baby, my lord and great. Baby Ashindo, I like what you get. Ashindo, Falakela, Ashindo. Hey, Ashindo, money carry Ashindo. Hey, Ashindo, baby Ashindo. This girl know the tell sorry. This girl know the tell sorry. Baby Ashindo. This girl, she find ma. If you see her, you go holla ma. Her backside, go large gum. Her front side, go do gum. Wait till this. Now back a boom boom. You carry like this. When they make my heart, you touch cannabis. When you stand at it and draw my teeth. JJJ, no be true. Very tourist If I'm a mood, my baby. As you come touch my hot bottle. Now easy to go. Oh yeah, baby, make me relax. Oh yeah, baby, make me compress. point, baby, my lord and great. Baby, I can go. I like what you get. I should go, for I cannot, I should go. Hey, I should go, money carry, I should go.
Hey, oh, farmer.
Whoa! Not doing that.
Boy, yo. Oh, farmer, man. Correct. I like your energy. Then I know the reason why they throw you things.
Thanks a lot.
Then I know the reason why they throw you things. Man,
Thanks a lot, bro.
much love to you, my brother. Much love to you, my brother.
Thanks a
All
lot.
right, ladies and gentlemen, we'll still continue with the show. All right, and Ofoma just finished every. So for now, we'll go run, enter streets, more show now the video of everybody. We answer the word for the day we will give now yesterday. Soldier go, soldier come. All right, so no go anywhere. The video go show now. Ofoma, warrior.
If he bubble on me, if he bubble on me, she just dey snap me photo.
Soldier go, soldier come, no need. That is say someone will go, another person will come.
Soldier go, soldier come. Every time I'm good English, madam.
You said what?
Soldier go, soldier come. Everything is in English.
I can't hear you very well.
Soldier go, soldier come. Barrack is not go anywhere.
We are not in the time of soldier now. We are in time of democracy. So that has passed.
Soldier go, soldier come. Kí soldier lọ, kí soldier padà wá. Kí lẹ fẹ́?
Soldier is going, soldier is coming.
Thank you.
When one soldier leaves, another soldier comes in.
Thank you.
As me that when the army was trying to come and he's going and he later come back, that is the good English.